Hello my friends, so welcome to our channel Plus Size Models. Now in this video we are going to tell you about Emily Knight in 2024. So guys, let's get started. Emily Knight is a very observant Instagram star, American plan and powerhouse with over 3.7 million fans on her Instagram account. She is an incredibly notable web-based entertainment star, especially the Instagram queen, and has really got a lot of impact on the site. She shared a lot of attractive picture of herself on social media site alongside each conspicuous among individuals. She is comparatively renowned on the different other informal organizations looks to and Futuremore has a great time, a glooming assortment of fun agreeing with on this side too. Emily is famous for her brain and hotness. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video.